Hello traders, uh, this is Sekaran Jaiswan from Omega Stock Pro. Many of our traders are losing money because they are not using the RSI properly. So if we can make profits using RSI in a simpler price action plus RSI method, I think we can earn good profits. We need not take the trade every now and then. Just I want to take a trade. How to find out the reversals using RSI. So I want to make this video short and very quick so that you can understand and we can understand. I think this is the right time to identify the market is trading, and I have taken the chart before you from March and April 2020. You know, there was a big fall in the market. Okay, because you see RSI is the oversold zone. Just for reference I am taking here. Like oversold zone, and people may think that RSI has reached the oversold zone. In I'm taking hourly chart, 60 minutes time frame. Pardon. And you can see that RSI is here, it is in a oversold zone, and market came down again. See, when it is coming and hitting another next time the low that is below 30, if the price is below the previous when see RSI has reached below 30 here, and next time when the RSI reached below 30, is the price higher or price the lower? If it is in the lower side, there is a downtrend. We should not take a buy trend. Okay. Next time you can see here again. Let me zoom it a little so that it will be clear to you. Here again you can see that RSI has come down to below 30. Price also came down. That means market is in a downtrend. Again it came, price is down. 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 There is a divergence, but we don't know whether the divergence will get active or failed. We don't know. Okay. So next time it hit below 30, yeah, here, but the price is higher than the previous point. You can see this is the clear indication of reversal. You can take a trade here just above. Since this is the first reversal point, market will very aggressively move. I am taking the hourly time frame, uh, and market went, now market going down is very less now, because already a lot of fall has happened. Now market, so the market opened here, and from there you can see from 18,200 to 21,000, around 3,000 points. So 18,000 to 3,000 means, you can see if you calculate in percentage. So next time you can see market here it reached again. This is the time to buy. Okay, but since already a 30 points here, we can take a buy trade. 257, again it is a 800 points here, for 700 to 800 points. Again RSI hit below here, but the price has come down. That means what? Market is in a downtrend. We should not take a buy trade here. Many people try to take, because RSI come down here, I will take a buy trade. It has given a bounce back, but it will not sustain. You see how it came down. Again here you can see it came down. That means it is in a downtrend. Again it came down. Price is lower. RSI is there. Divergence is there. We don't know whether it will work or not. Again it came here. You can see price from here to from here to here, it is the higher point. So you should take a trade here. So this is the right time to take. See, you see the, if you go and see the Telegram channel on June 20th, I posted that. I think I posted, but in another group maybe. Market opened gap down, and there was a Fibonacci also line here, and from there market rallied like anything. Okay, you see, market did not come down. How many points from here? You can calculate by yourself. 3,000 points. Again you can see market came down higher. You can take a trade here boldly. Stop loss hunting will be there. Stop loss will be taken. Not to worry. You choose lower time frame oversold zones, and from there you can take a trade, right? Here you can see we should not fear in these places. People fear very much here. If it trades on 600, 700 points came down, people those who don't know to manage risk and all, they will be in trouble. So here you rally at 3000 points. From there it will take a double bottom. Go and see the smaller time frame. There you can see and enter the trade. Okay, if RSI is at the lower zone, because see on hourly time frame market is trending on the upside. So in the lower time frame, you should see the lower, that is oversold zone. If market is, see on that day, if market has come down drastically here, everybody will say that now downtrend has come, all these things have come, corona is increasing, 5 lakh cases and all these things will be coming here and there. But see the price action and simple couple your RSI with the hourly time frame and see how price is reacting. You see price. See today also budget was there, but based on the data points only I took a trade, long trade only. Okay. I know yesterday there was a data point. All those things I don't want to reveal. All the everything will get confused here because there was a signal point. No problem. You see how we need not to see if you are very clear with the data points. At least by seeing the price action and coupling this also very easily we can earn points. As long it is coming down means no problem. You can see the divergence also above the divergence how beautifully it moved. But before coming into the divergence also you can see hourly time frame. Okay, nobody knows how the price is going to react. Is it going to, okay, so for easy thing, this is a band of how much period, 8 period or 20 period, yeah, 20 period, about 20 period high candle has closed, you can take a trade. Okay, you can see everything is open here. This is a 20 period moving average, exponential moving average. Above it has from that 300 points, 3000 points market has rallied. Okay, right? And you see here also again it came down above here, but okay, no specific move, small move, only 200, 300 points. That's all. Okay, now you see market RSI hit low price also. There is a downtrend. Again, it is a downtrend. Okay, now it is a from here you can see, you can check from August of 2020 from the beginning. We have lost a lot of time because everybody is, all the TV shows, Corona is increasing, this and that, everything is coming. You see the price, couple RSI, how price is reacting. Easily we can make money. The opportunities are there, right? You see from here market it came down again. You can see from there it has closed above the band. You can take a trade from here. Market right around 3000 points. 2000 points, yes, 3000 points easily. So again you can see, yeah, from here you can see, yes, it is a downtrend above the band. First move itself we can capture, but let us, all these things are past. Okay, now what happened? Now just I want to say, here market came down, again it came down here. Okay, when market was here, somewhere here, when it hit here, I gave a buy signal. Okay, but people did not believe me. They said that okay, market is not going to sustain, all those things, everything they said. When market came and closed above this, from there you can see for 37422, 37, yeah, 1000 points only. Still there is a scope of more points coming in here. FIIs are selling, DIs are selling, all those things will not work. In the beginning, in the up to June 2020 or somewhere, they did not buy at all. From July only they started. By the time market trended, so market there was a movement in the market on the upside. Okay, how to trade the downside and all, that is another scenario. We can see that later. Here you beautifully you can take the trade. See how here it has come, and here it has. So positive trend has started. The next day gap down opening is happening. If you go and see the 15-minute time frame here, let me take the 15-minute time frame. On which date there was a gap down? On 27th, I think. Yeah, 27th. Okay, this is the 5-minute. Let me take the 15-minute time frame also. No problem. You see, after market open gap down, we know that there is a buy on the main trend. Okay, so here When it came down slowly, it was beautifully, it was consolidating. Even if you have taken a trade here above 60, it has gone beautifully. Market trade. No, nothing. We need not use much our brain at all. Very simply, market is moving here. Now market is trading here. Okay, still there is a scope of higher points, at least 3000 points on the higher side. Market came down, it is sustaining. You see how as per your risk appetite how it is happening. Okay. So very simple. So let us go to 5 minutes time frame. We know that market is in an uptrend, right? You can come here. Here it has come from here on a 5 minutes time frame above 60. Market RSI has gone. Beautiful move. Okay. Again it came down above. Even you can take this 200 period or 373 exponential moving average as your support. You can buy here. Beautifully market is going down. Now what is happening? Gap up. Whether this is an opportunity or not, today market is live. See, the market is running live. Opportunity is there or not, you can see what to do now. It was here, it came here. Extra yesterday there was a on a bank nifty. Yes, market closed below this candle around, yeah, this candle I think. Here was a sell signal. Yesterday it closed here, so I was expecting the market should come. Yeah, now at the higher end, I am giving today's data. Here, market closed above this point. Market has to trade at least 17,700 today or in the next trading session. Otherwise, the person who created a buy position here will be at loss. So you see what to do. So I have given all the scenarios. Today you can make use of that. Where down sell signal, yes, this was a false sell signal. It will not sustain. I know that as per my data points. So today's Nifty scenario. You want to show me the Nifty? Show the Nifty data also. Just I will switch to Nifty. You can see how Nifty reacted in the 2021. Yeah. RSI down, again down, again down. It did not hit the low. Here it in Nifty, it was very beautiful up here, and the next time the buy signal was generated here. You can see at 8,800 how beautifully market from 8,800 10,000 it rallied. How it rallied? Because the price is moving. You can follow Nifty rather than Bank Nifty, because bank nifty is move and nifty bank nifty, yes, it moves, no problem, but more accuracy we have in this thing. How beautifully, and this is how we identified the low for the investments and all. Don't panic, don't go here and there. Very simple moves you can capture using the RSA, all these things. Did you ever see in YouTube this simple secret? People will not reveal it to you, I know. So next time market came down, and here you can see, go and see the lower time frame, see the band, it has closed here, and below that band it closed, but the power is on the higher side. Okay, see how it is going, how beautifully market is moving. Again it was a buy, again it was a buy. Now here it came, yeah, here again it was a buy. Now you see here, this is a perfect example. Here is the RSI is down, and next time when the RSI came below, the price is low, are just equal. So for in that case, we need to wait for the breakout of this point. But you see here divergence. Again, market came downtrend. Again, RSI below, it is a downtrend. Now let us see what happened. Here it's a downtrend. Here it is a uptrend now. Now this is a buy scenario. So in this buy signal, what we should do? Above the band, market is trading. You take a trade from 800. How many points? 11,800 to 12,000. Some around 250 points. Okay, at that time volatility was falling down. Okay, see, investments, you know how much fall has happened, market has reversed or not. It's very easy to identify, but we need to put some little effort. Now I think I have tested this thing in the stocks also, but stocks does not work that clearly. It goes to stop loss and then comes out. So better is you trade Nifty. I'm not giving it buy, trade, or sell signals and all. I am just giving an education how to trade this market. Generally, I am not. Earlier I used to, but for longer time frames, how would you for the investments and all? We can easily do. There are other setups also which I follow, but mainly I follow option chain analysis. And based on option chain analysis only, I take trade basically in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nowadays, I have switched from Bank Nifty to Nifty because the moves are very smooth in Nifty. And one thing I have found is if market is giving a buy signal and during the movement of market, the premium also moves safely on that particular direction. So even if we get 20 points or 15 points, that is very safe to book. Every day, if I am using a capital of 10,000 and I am taking home a 5% to 6% daily, you can calculate how much return it will give on the long term. So there is a free Telegram channel. You can find, just type Omega Stock Pro and join. Okay, now let us see what is the scenario for today, because past is past now, right? So hourly time frame, market came down. Here it is a downtrend. Sorry, we have to take the previous one, no? Here it is a downtrend. Market again came down. It is a high point here. Now wait the price to close above the 20 exponential moving average band. So it is band. So how much is the difference? Only 200 points. Now you can see how much point is remaining. And there is a buy signal here. Market will go up to 17,800 also, as per the data point. Yesterday's data point, there was a weakness and market came and closed that point. Okay, there is no, and here there is a gap. All those gaps are all, but if you are investing, you can keeping your position hedged, like you take the in 5 minute time frame, you can come, just come here. Generally, this is a buy signal. If it goes above 60, you can take a long trade. Here also you can see it is a, see, RSI is low here and RSI came to high point now. Now you can see here. Yesterday, what is the date? Here the date is RSI came here, the date is 19 January. Okay, 19 January, market is coming down, coming down. Market is coming down. This is 200 exponential moving average, right? Now see, there was a buy signal. Here it came, traded above this. How beautiful. Market immediately changed its direction. So only three indicators I have put. Which are they? Moving average 200 period, that is for 5 minutes entries. 20 period exponential moving average, that is high and low band. Okay, this is a close or high, you can put high also. And this is RSI. Based on the hourly RSI, we are going to take trade and the 5 minute time frame. You see here, so already it is in a, this is the perfect time frame. Now you can see market came down, it is here, this was a buying point. Okay, then why did market open gap up? Because the players who are buying, they are buying here. Okay, so both the periods they are booking profit in the downtrend and here, and market moved up. Okay, from here you can see market here also it came down above 60. Market has gone from here to 100 points is not a less move. Okay, now it came down, people exactly bought here and market is moving up. Now what to do, you decide. Okay, here I end the video. So 9490940837 is my WhatsApp number. If you want any clarification, you can put a WhatsApp message. Okay, bye.